Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, just open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. When it's open, you have two ways to open it in floating window. You can go into Tab menu, look for floating window shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Or after opening your app, go into background apps, hold it, and select this middle button. Either way, as you can see, now I can use it in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can also use it to overlay the other apps by opening the other one and operating in both. If you wish to turn your app into this type of bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by holding and dragging the bubble. If you wish to resize your window, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. When you find the perfect size, let go. Lastly, in order to use it in full screen view, drag the lower line all the way down. In order to close it though, you need to swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!